Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be another hair experiment because honestly I just really love with my hair, and also I just really want to know what my hair wants from me because I do not get it. My hair is always just living its own life, like we are on completely different planets and I have no idea how we can communicate so we can figure out how to work together. We are not agreeing at all at the moment. I've been talking about my hair for a while now, as you all probably know, and I actually got a lot of comments from you guys that said that my hair probably is curly, but since I am treating it so badly, there are no curls anywhere. So what you guys have been recommending me is to try out the curly girl method, and I looked into it, okay? I looked into the curly girl method and it just looked like a lot of work to do because the videos that I saw and like the articles that I read, they all said that you're gonna notice like a difference in like 2 or 3 months, which I am like way too impatient for that, okay? Like I do not want to follow a strict regimen for like 2 or 3 months. Like I am just way too impulsive for that. Like I want to change my hair whenever I feel like it. So what I thought, I'm not going to the curly girl method, but I am going to curl my hair with these things. And I'm actually like very excited for this because I absolutely love curly hair, especially if you have like short hair like me. If you have like a whole head full of curls, that's just beautiful, okay? So I'm going to try and do that today as well. So I think this is gonna take a very long time to do, so let's just get started. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram if you don't follow me yet. So I bought 5 packages of these rollers because I have a lot of hair and I want to get like small curls. I don't want to get like wavy curls, you know. I want to get like small, pretty tight curls because that's just amazing. So I got a bunch of them and I hope they are enough. They should be. I got like 60 of them, so I hope they are enough. And full disclosure, I have never ever done this before in my life. So yeah, if I'm doing it the wrong way, which I probably will be doing it the wrong way, then please don't hate me, okay? I'm just experimenting right here. I'm just trying some things out, okay? So let's get started. I don't know how I'm gonna start, but let's just get started. I don't even know how I should section my hair up. Like this is already going pretty bad. But yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of water, going to spritz it, and then a little bit of hairspray. Oh god. And then just roll it up. My arms are already hurting. Oh no. Oh god. This is so difficult. Put the roller over there. And then just roll it. This is really difficult. Okay, quick, put this thing on top of there. Oh shit! Got my first one! I don't think that one will turn into a beautiful curl, but you know, at least I did it. At least it's stuck on my head right now, right? Yeah, okay. Next. No! How do people do this? I don't get it. No, please stay here. Wait. Maybe if I twist it a little bit. I feel like such a weak person, honestly. Like, I'm only holding my arm up for like 5 seconds and it hurts so much. Maybe I should like try leaving the house for once. I don't know. Okay, first row is done. Yay! Ow! Yay! I do not like this process at all, okay? I'm gonna be honest. This is taking way longer than it probably should take. Also, I feel like it's not gonna, it's like, I think it's gonna turn out pretty bad. But you know, it's an experiment. Let's just see what happens. Maybe I should try and do it a different way. What if I do it like this? And then... Oh, that was like way faster. Okay. Okay, I got some hope again, guys. I found a better way to do it, which is gonna be easier for me. And I don't know if this is like the way you should actually do it, but I'm just going to do it that way. Because otherwise it's going to take me a very long time. And I don't want to spend hours on my hair. Like this, look. One, and then I can just... Okay, let's try that again. Roll it around and then roll it further. Ping, ping, ping. Ping, ding, 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 ding. Yay! And I put it there. Get it stuck. Yes! Beautiful. Majestic. Oh my god! Oh! So yeah, I got... This is such a look right here. Hey guys, welcome to my new hair. Okay, so I think I'm just going to like fast forward this process because honestly it's very repetitive. Repetitive? It's very much the same thing over and over and over again. So I'm just going to do this side of my head. And then I'm going to try and do the back of my head, which is gonna be horrible. And then I'll be back. Hola chicas! I got my hair in the rollers. Wait, let me see. Woo. Oh shit! So I guess I'm now just gonna have to let this sit in my hair for a few hours to make sure that all my hair is dry. And then we can take it out. This is gonna end up so bad. I can already tell. Oh god. I'm just gonna sit and think about the choices that I make in my life. And then I'll be right back and I'm going to show you guys the end result. Yeah. Okay. I look so ridiculous with these rollers in my hair. Oh my god. But yeah, it has been an hour since I put all the rollers in my hair, which is not a long time. Okay, I know. Normally people like sleep with these things on to make sure that the hair is completely dry. But I am a very impatient person and I just do not want to sit with this stuff in my hair for another hour. So I thought, why not get myself a blow dryer and just blow dry my hair. I'm not sure if it's like dry yet. I'm just going to take one thing out and then see if it's dry or not, because you know it would be a complete waste of time if I would take this out before my hair is actually dry, because then I literally did everything for nothing. So I'm going to do one test strand. I'm going to see how this one looks, which feels dry. I don't know. I don't even know what dry is anymore. Let's just take this one out and see what's gonna happen. I'm so excited, but also nervous. Oh, I shouldn't have used any hairspray. Look at this girl. It feels dry though, okay? So I'm just gonna take everything out because I just can't wait anymore. I wanna know what it looks like. So let's get cracking. Look at this girl. It's kind of cute though. Like, of course I'm not done. I'm gonna try and like brush them out a little bit. But so far, it is kind of cute, okay? It looks kind of cute. Oh, this one is like wet still. Oh god, no. Okay, well. Did I get everything? I think I did. Oh my god. Look at my hair. Oh god. Wait, let me just kind of like scrunch it up a little bit. I have tiny curly bangs. Ow. Ow, I put it in my eye. Ow, again. Oh my god. Ah, oh, that literally just like whips my eyeball. Ow, that was so painful. I really can't do anything right, can I? Whew. Okay, but yeah, let me just, it needs to be a little bit more symmetrical as well. Should I show you guys the back of my head? Because I feel like it is terrible. Wait. I haven't even looked at it myself. It's like slowly starting to grow on me. I mean, the only problem, well, I think there are multiple problems. First problem, I'm just not used to seeing myself with this hair. So I really need to like get used to it, you know? I just didn't do a very good job at curling it, so you don't really see like a lot of curls, but it's more like a lot of frizz, you know? I like it when you have like very defined, beautiful, shiny curls, and I don't really have that, so that's kind of throwing me off a little bit. But honestly, like, it also looks kind of cute though, right? Maybe when I'm editing the video and looking back at the footage, I'm actually just gonna cry about how ugly it is. But right now, I am kind of feeling it. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think of my hair. Because normally when I don't like my hair, and I say that I don't like my hair, everybody actually loves my hair. So I'm very curious to see what your reaction is this time, now that I actually love my hair. Maybe everyone thinks it's like absolutely horrendous, but I'm sitting here like, ooh, look at my beautiful curls. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching another video. I really hope you guys like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram if you don't follow me yet. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to see me fuck my hair up even more. Because I'll probably be fucking it up in the future again. Hey. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching this video. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye.